Hey there, welcome back to Wealth Wiser. If you're tired of chasing trendy business ideas that come and go, then you are in the right place. Today, we are going to explore some evergreen business ideas that have stood the test of time. These are tried and true ventures that can provide sustainable success in the long run. So, whether you are an aspiring business person or just looking for an inspiration, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. Our first evergreen business idea is in the food and beverage industry. People will always need to eat and drink, and this sector offers endless opportunities. You can open a restaurant, start a catering service, or even launch a food truck. The key is to offer something unique and delicious to stand out in the competitive market. Did you know that the food and beverage industry in the United States alone is estimated to be worth over $1.5 trillion? That's a staggering figure, and it's consistently grown over the years, showcasing the unwavering demand for food-related services. The restaurant industry, for instance, is a significant part of this sector, and it's not slowing down. Restaurants in the United States are projected to generate over $900 billion in sales in 2023. This demonstrates the continued enthusiasm for dining out and enjoying unique culinary experiences. Furthermore, food trucks have also gained substantial popularity in recent years. The food truck industry is estimated to be worth over $1 billion in the United States alone, and it offers a cost-effective way to enter the food business. The flexibility and creativity involved in running a food truck have attracted many entrepreneurs. The key to success in this evergreen industry is to tap into niche markets and create a unique selling proposition. Whether you are focused on artisanal, locally sourced ingredients or offering fusion cuisine, standing out in this competitive market is crucial. With the right concept and dedication, you can carve out a profitable niche for yourselves in the food and beverage industry. So if you have a passion for food and a culinary dream, consider this sector as your path to long-term business success. Next up, we have the health and wellness industry. Staying healthy is a universal priority, and this industry covers fitness centers, yoga studios, nutrition consulting, and even wellness retreats. As long as people strive for a better quality of life, these businesses will continue to thrive. The health and wellness sector is a thriving global industry, and its growth shows no signs of stopping. In the United States, for instance, it was valued at over $4.5 trillion in 2019. This enormous figure encompasses a wide range of businesses, from fitness centers and yoga studios to nutrition and mental health services. Yoga, another segment within the health and wellness industry, is also experiencing impressive growth. According to studies, the number of yoga practitioners in the US grew from 20.4 million in 2012 to 36 million in 2016, showcasing the increasing interest in holistic well-being. People are actively investing in their health and well-being, making it a robust and evergreen business opportunity. If you have a passion for helping others live healthier lives, consider a venture in the health and wellness industry to ensure sustainable success. Education is timeless. As long as there are students, there will be a need for tutoring services, educational apps, and online courses. If you are passionate about teaching, this could be a rewarding path for you. Education is the foundation of personal and professional growth. In the United States, the education industry is substantial, with total expenditures on public and private education reaching approximately $1.4 trillion in 2019, according to the National Center for Education Statistics. This figure includes expenditures on all levels of education, from preschool to postgraduate studies, demonstrating the vast scale of the industry. The tutoring and supplemental education industry is another essential part of the education sector. According to studies, the global private tutoring market is projected to reach over $178 billion by 2026. E-learning and online education have been experiencing tremendous growth, especially in the recent years. According to statistics, the global e-learning market size was estimated at $144 billion in 2019, and it is expected to grow significantly in the coming years. The need for professional development is also substantial. The Bureau of Labor Statistics in the United States projected a 10% growth in the employment of adult literacy and high school equivalency diploma teachers from 2020 to 2030, which is faster than the average for all occupations. This data emphasizes the consistent demand for educational services. If you are passionate about teaching, mentoring, or helping others reach their educational goals, the education and tutoring industry offers an evergreen opportunity. The data supports the notion that education is an everlasting necessity, ensuring that businesses in this sector have a promising future. Our fourth evergreen business idea revolves around the home improvement and maintenance. Homeowners always require services like plumbing, electrical work, landscaping, and renovations. It's a steady market that can provide you with a consistent income stream. The home improvement and maintenance sector is a rock-solid industry. Home renovations and remodeling are a substantial part of this sector. According to studies, spending on home improvements in the United States was estimated at nearly $425 billion in 2017. This figure is expected to grow further, given that homeowners are continually looking to enhance their living spaces. The maintenance aspect, including plumbing, electrical work, and landscaping, also contributes to the industry's stability. These are services that homeowners rely on for their comfort and safety. In the United States, the plumbing and electrical contractors industry generated around $144 billion in revenue in 2020. Landscaping and lawn care services are in high demand as well. According to the National Association of Landscape Professionals, the landscaping industry in the United States had an estimated worth of $99 billion in 2019, reflecting the growing interest in outdoor living and curb appeal. With the consistent need for home improvement and maintenance, this industry remains resilient. Homeowners continue to invest in their properties, ensuring that businesses in this sector have a steady stream of opportunities. If you are skilled in construction, renovation, or maintenance work, this evergreen business idea can provide you with long-term success. Now let's explore the evergreen business potential in the field of waste management. Waste management is an essential aspect of modern society, and it's backed by numbers that emphasize its enduring importance. In the United States, the waste management and remediation services industry generated over $53 billion in revenue in 2020. This industry encompasses services like recycling, garbage collection, hazardous waste disposal, and more. The global waste management market is substantial as well. In 2020, the global waste management market was estimated at over $2 trillion. This market is expected to continue growing due to factors like urbanization, industrialization, and an increased focus on environmental sustainability. Recycling, a significant part of waste management, has also been gaining momentum. In the United States, the recycling industry contributes over $100 billion in the economy and employs more than 500,000 people. The recycling rate has been steadily increasing over the years, reflecting the growing awareness of environmental sustainability. The need for responsible waste management is not limited to a specific region or country. It's a global issue, and businesses that offer innovative, eco-friendly waste management solutions are in high demand. The United Nations estimates that by 2050, the global urban population will generate 3.4 billion tons of waste annually, emphasizing the critical role of waste management in our future. With waste generation on the rise, waste management remains an evergreen business opportunity. Whether you are interested in providing recycling services, waste collection, or sustainable waste disposal solutions, the data supports the notion that waste management is a solid and continuously growing sector, ensuring a long-lasting and environmentally responsible venture. Next on the list, event management is a dynamic and evergreen business opportunity. The event management industry is a substantial contributor to economies worldwide. In the United States, the event and meeting planning industry generated over $325 billion in direct spending in 2019. These figures account for expenditures on venues, catering, transportation, and other event-related services. The global events market is equally significant. In 2019, the worldwide business events industry was estimated at around $1 trillion. This market encompasses a wide range of events, including conferences, trade shows, conventions, and incentive travel. The demand for events, both corporate and personal, continues to grow. The global business events sector alone is expected to increase by an annual average of 6.4% from 2017 to 2023. This growth is driven by the need for organizations to connect with their stakeholders and audiences effectively. Wedding planning, a popular segment of event management, remains robust. In the United States, the wedding industry generates over $70 billion in annual revenue. This data illustrates the enduring appeal of celebrations and life events. The recent pandemic may have temporarily altered the landscape of events, but it also highlighted the industry's adaptability. Virtual events and hybrid gatherings have gained traction, making the industry even more versatile and responsive to changing circumstances. With the constant need for professional event management services, this industry provides substantial opportunities for businesses. Whether you are considering becoming a wedding planner, corporate event organizer, or virtual event manager, the data supports the notion that event management is an evergreen business with a bright and continuously evolving future. Last but not the least, elderly care services are in high demand. With an aging population, businesses like home healthcare, assisted living facilities, and senior transportation services are thriving. It's a fulfilling and compassionate field to consider. The aging population is a global trend. In the United States, the elderly population, age 65 and over, is growing rapidly. According to the US Census Bureau, by 2030, it is projected that the older adults will outnumber children for the first time in the US history. This demographic shift reflects the increasing demand for elderly care services. Home healthcare is a significant part of this industry. According to studies, the employment of home healthcare and personal care aides will grow by 34% from 2019 to 2029. This remarkable growth is driven by the desire of many seniors to age in place while receiving professional care at home. Assisted living facilities are also in demand. According to the National Center for Assisted Living, there were approximately 28,900 assisted living communities in the United States in 2020, providing care to nearly 1 million elderly residents. This number is expected to rise as the elderly population grows. Transportation services for seniors are another essential component of elderly care. The number of older adults needing transportation assistance is on the rise. In the United States, it is estimated that 15.5 million older adults, aged 65 and over, were living in communities without public transportation in 2019, highlighting the need for senior transportation services. With the aging population and the increasing preference for aging at home or in assisted living facilities, the elderly care industry presents substantial opportunities for businesses. If you have a passion for caring for seniors and providing essential services, the data strongly supports the idea that elderly care is an evergreen business with a promising future. There you have it, 7 evergreen business ideas that can lead to sustainable success. Remember, the key to a thriving business is not just an idea, but also your dedication, hard work, and adaptability. These ideas are timeless, but you must keep up with changing market trends and customer preferences. So choose one that aligns with your passion and skills, and you will be on your way to building a successful and long-lasting venture. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to WealthWiser for more business tips and ideas. And as always, feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.